Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to hide photos on Instagram without deleting them. First of all, open the Instagram application, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. On the profile page you will see all your posts. Tap on the one you want to hide without deleting it. Then tap on the three dots above it. Different options will appear. Tap on archive and you will see that the post has been removed. Now to get it back, tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. Settings and activity will open. Tap on the archive option here from the top. Select the category Posts Archive. Your archived posts will appear. Select the one you want to bring back on profile. After that, tap on the three dots at the top. Then tap on the option Show on Profile. After that again tap on Show on Profile and this post will be now visible on your profile. This is how you can hide Instagram posts without deleting them.